Everyone,
Oh, good gravy.
I'm trying to put all this in my mouth for $5.
Mom, leave her alone.
The eggs? No can't
Show yourself, Paige.
Yeah, I'll pass it up.
Oh, I like it.
You guys are horrific.
Yeah.
It fell.
Sorry. Is that our camera, Nick?
They're taking
No.
Is this going to be on MySpace.com?
Shouldn't do it.
It's the salmon nose blowing incident.
You're disgusting.
That's gross. Do you have a boyfriend right now? You're so gone.
Open your mouth. Paige, open your mouth.
How long can the video be?
As long as you want it.
Swallow.
We need to get it.
Dude, that went all over me. That was so sick.
Nice job. We have a monstrosity.
Keep going, Paige.
Okay. Okay, I'll just give you $1 for trying. You can stop now.
That is so. She's gonna throw up.
Yes.
She's a good American.
Stop making her laugh.
Stop it. Stop being soft.
She's trying to do anything.
I'm just really glad that my voice
She's an overachiever.
I'm gonna give you $1 for trying. That was awesome. $1 for trying.
Should I press end now?
That's part of reward.
Claire, how was your dinner?
Good.
Did you have most of it?
What?
Did you have most of it?
Damn.